Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the LDV T60. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Firstly, we need to remove the roof lining in order to gain access to the roof rail bolts. Remove both sun visors using a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 2 screws in the hinge and 1 in the anchor. Remove all the door handles using a 10mm socket. Use a trim tool to pop off the plastic covers. Undo the 2 T25 bolts in the sunglasses holder. Then use a flathead screwdriver to pop off the plastic airbag covers on the A-pillars. Remove the Phillips head bolt. You can then pry off the door seal and remove the A-pillar covers. Repeat this process for the B-pillar covers as well. Remove the rear door handles by taking out the rubber covers hiding the screws. Undo the Phillips head bolts and remove the door handles. Then undo the 2 Phillips head screws underneath the center dome light. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the cover. Remove the airbag plate and undo the Phillips screw in the rear pillar. Pop off the seatbelt cover with a trim tool, then undo the 14mm bolt. You can then pop out the rear cover and move it out of the way slightly. Use a trim tool to remove the 2 pop clips holding in the rear edge of the roof lining. After that is all done, you should be able to move the roof lining out of the way in order to gain access to the rail bolts. Use a 10mm socket to remove the factory rail nuts, then remove the rails. Use an 8mm drill bit to widen the factory holes. Add a bead of silicone sealant underneath the gasket, then add another bead on top and inside the bolt holes. Attach the rail legs using the included bolts with both spring and flat washers. Then tighten using a 6mm Allen key and 13mm socket. Repeat this process on all 4 rail legs, then attach the rails to the legs. Lift the rack onto the vehicle and secure using the included hardware. Make sure it's aligned to the center of the vehicle before tightening the bolts down, then reassemble the interior. And there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.